Okay, so we're up on the Macau Tower. You do a little walk around it. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, this is the view of the Macau Tower. Trying to go too fast here. Hengqin, China. That's all Zhuhai, China, and then this is all the Macau side. And here you got a buffet, food. Yeah, I don't know how well you can see it, but it's a little closer. Then you can see this is moving, so it goes 360. So yeah, that's all Macau. I'm gonna go, let's go this way a little bit. Yeah, amazing. It's called a 360-degree cafe. I'll show you the prices. So for now the buffet $288. There you go. And we're going to be going over, this is Taipa, Macau. Then you can eat at a buffet, so that's all you can eat for an hour and a half at lunchtime. And then at nighttime I think it's a bit longer. Let's see. Okay, so that was a 360, and some people jump over the side as well, but we'll just give you a little context of this. And then you can see it's right along the waterfront right here. All these bridges. Taipa's over there. And there's that restaurant was at, right at the top there. Toma cuidado la boquinha.